Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for birth number 4. That means if you're born on the 4th, 13th, 22nd or 31st of any month, this is the reading for you. The first card that I have for you is number 41, belonging. So your theme of the month is about making sure that, whatever you're doing, you belong there. So a lot of people who are questioning whether they should be doing the job they are doing, whether they should be with the partner that they are with currently, the thing you have to understand is if you feel some sort of attachment, if you feel that there your soul tells you that there is some sort of connection with this person, then you stay with them. Another thing that's important is if you look at the number 4 and 1, number 5. Number 5 is the number of Mercury. Your Mercury is also going to be activated this month. When Mercury activates, what happens is, think of Mercury as having a as dealing with a 5-year-old. When you're dealing with 5-year-old, what happens is many of you might be getting bored very quickly. There's a high level of curiosity inside you. So when you get to learn something, you get to learn a task, you quickly move on to the next task. Number 4 and 1 is also a combination of having things like your Rahu and your Sun. And Rahu and Sun, when they kind of come together, because number 4 represents Rahu and number 1 represents Sun. So when Sun and Rahu come together, there's an eclipse. There's a confusion. There's some sort of a stagnation when it comes to work. There's sort of stagnation when it comes to travel. So many of you might have experienced delays in your work or experienced delays in whatever it is that you want to do or you're seeking to do. Let's see from tarot what sort of messages we have for lovely number 4 people. The first card that I have for you is the 5 of Swords, which is telling me something has happened. Either you have been betrayed, there has been an ego battle that you have lost, or something or the other along the lines has happened. And again, number 5 is the number of Mercury. There's a lot of mental confusion in regards to what to do. So do let me know what you guys are confused about. Maybe I can give you some kind of insight, but there is definitely some kind of confusion. You do had multiple choices in the past, and it does seem like 2 of those choices did not work out the way you expected them to, and you're basically on the verge of giving up. The next card that I have for you is the Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords card is when you're very impatient about something. Knight of Swords also represents, like, there's a story behind Knight of Swords, and what happens is knights represent prince, like in a normal like king queen family, it's knight represents a prince, and this prince gets a new toy on Christmas and it's a sword, and he jumps into the battle with the sword despite giving time to learn how to fight or how to use that sword first. And when that happens, the result of it is that the knight dies very quickly. So learn the lesson from this particular story to understand the Knight of Swords situation is you need to have patience. You can't rush into things very, very quickly, because there is some learning that has to be done. You have to really evaluate the situation. And also swords coming together and number 5, what it's also telling me is that there could be some kind of confusion in your mind. Either communication wise you're unable to say your piece, or you have multiple choices and you don't know what to do about them. The next card that I have for you, my lovely number 4 people, is the 6 of Wands. 6 of Wands is telling me despite whatever happens, you guys are in for success. A lot of you are going to get promotion, or you are going to get a happy news. You are going to be in a position where you can lead people. But you have to go slow about it. You have to understand the situation and you need to play your cards really, really well. A lot of people are going to be looking at you. You are going to set a new benchmark for people, whether it comes in terms of making a decision or it comes in terms of how you conduct yourself when faced with tough decisions. The next card that I have for you is Star. So this card is a confirmation that one of your dream, you are going to achieve your dream. If there's a target, especially for people who are working, if there has been a target and you have been aiming to hit that target, you're working towards that target, chances are that you're going to do pretty good and you are going to win that target. You're going to achieve that target anyway. This is a card of wish fulfillment. And make sure to activate this, you spend a lot of time during night meditating or just getting in touch with your goals. Affirmations have helped people. Writing down the goals that you want also help. The next card I have with you is the Seven of Swords. Now, with the Five of Swords, Seven of Swords, my suggestion to you would be, when you are signing a contract, any legal document, please make sure that you read the document well. You understand each and everything that has been printed with black ink, because there could be, those little things that are written at the bottom of the contract which may not be good for you, but you'll still sign the contract because it looks very fancy. So be aware of all the legal disputes or all the legal documents that you have to sign. The next card that I have for you is the Death card. A lot of you, something is going to change for you this month. And remember, when I said there's a lot of confusion and you guys have a lot of options. And I do feel towards the end of the month, you are going to be making a choice. You are going to be deciding what you want. Many of you are going to let go of people that are not serving you right. You might be leaving jobs that are not working for you. So that is definitely happening, guys. The next card that I have for you is the Knight of Wands. Now, I'm not going to tell you the story of this Knight of Wands, but this Knight of Wands is the energy where you feel enthusiastic. You feel passionate about doing something, and you have this burning desire to have achievement, to have recognition, and to have your name somewhere for some kind of project or some kind of role that you have done. Like, you just want to be there. When you think of Knight of Wands, think of all those entrepreneurs that take risk, that get things done. A lot of movement will be required. It will require you to test your limits. It will require you to get out of your comfort zone, but you're going to do it and you're going to be successful with it. The next card that I have for you is the Four of Cups. Now, Four of Cups talks about missed opportunities. Now, what's going to happen is, you're going to step out of your comfort zone. A lot of things are going to scare you off, and what you're going to think is, because you make one or two mistakes, you'll be like, oh my god, like, I left all this to pursue my creativity, to pursue what I feel confident about, and it's not turning out. Don't let this happen. What this is telling you is that there are still chances for you to go beyond, but you have to change the way you look at the situation. At the bottom of the deck, you have the Seven of Cups, which kind of aligns with what you are going through, because the Seven of Cups card is about having a lot of choices. It's, you have choices all over the place and you have to make decisions in regards to your choices. The easiest way to make decisions with this card is to go for the decisions that make you feel most, you know like, whatever seems like alienish to you, or whichever you feel like, oh my god, I will not be able to do this, go with it. But make a decent plan and make it on paper so you can visualize it, you can think about it, and you can come up with very practical steps as to how to achieve it, because this is a card which tells you about practicality. And remember, when I started this reading, I told you that for you, August is going to be about making choices, about coming up with plans, about sticking to your plans and sticking with what you feel is right from within you. Do let me know if this reading resonates, and I will see you guys next time.